Good evening, friends. Today I went to the Malik Bazar market in Batanagar and I purchased sliced bread of modern, and I also purchased this bread total one pound. I purchased eggs, four eggs. I purchased four eggs, and these are the four eggs. And I purchased tarka, one plate of veg tarka, along with roti. And somebody had died in the Batanagar market. For this reason, the shops are closed. Only one person was selling the bread, keeping a door open, because a person has to live. A person has to survive. Today I went to the morning walk at 7 a.m. I went towards Hayatpur, and there was beautiful green environment. Then I came back and took some breakfast, where I took bread with soup, and then I took tea. I gave tea to my father. Then I started doing my work from home projects. After that, I went with my father to for checking the pacemaker. This is located near PG Hospital at Horish Mukherjee Road. I took a 77A bus, and I reached there, and I got the pacemaker of my father checked. They have got a printout of the report, and they told my father that they we will be checking next time after 2 to 3 years. The condition is perfect. Then I came back to my house at Butternagar in Highland Greens, where I took some rest, and then I started doing my work from home projects. And then I took some tea with baby biscuit and gave it to my father. I then prepared tea and gave him. And in the evening, I after meditation, I took tea along with muri and chanachu.